Roy and Bernita Rogers, longing for a family after struggling with multiple premature births, adopted a stray black cat named Midnight. Miraculously, within a year, Bernita became pregnant and gave birth to a healthy baby girl named Stacy. Midnight, always watchful over Stacy, played a crucial role in saving her life when she fell ill at 6 weeks old. Persistent and alarmed, Midnight's unusual behavior prompted Bernita to check on Stacy, who was found gasping for air. Thanks to Midnight, Stacy received timely medical attention, and today, she and Midnight share a special bond.